The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
But they happen.
Yeah, Me.TV is just slow in this. But yeah. And this is the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test on the emergency alert system. Had this had been an actual emergency, the intense signal you just heard would have been followed by information. Or instructions. This concludes the test on the emergency alert system. Oh. By official information or instructions, my bad. Alright, so that and mom's tired. So, the emergency alert system, blah 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 blah, and that is done. That and done.